As we like to say at UD, it's a great day to be a flyer. And in this case, a high flyer, a high flyer.
We came here for two reasons. The first of those reasons, as you've heard, is to recognize the University of Dayton as one of the American Talent Initiative's 28 high flyers. These are top places. University of Dayton is very much worthy of a seat at that table and is helping to lead.
Together, we are working with many partners and are helping higher education write the script on how to help underrepresented students be successful. We recognize that talent exists everywhere, including in marginalized communities, and it's our job as a university, it's our job as a community to find that talent and present those students with opportunity to soar.